Ronnie V. Lingdor, the leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and the Congress Legislature Party CLP leader, while emphasizing the democratic principles of the Congress Party, stated that being a CLP leader doesn't mean he should use a whip or chain to down people. Instead, he highlighted that the Congress Party is committed to democracy, where individuals have the freedom to join or leave as they choose. Lingdor also mentioned that if elected MLAs decide to leave the Congress, it is not the party they betray, but the mandate given to them by the people.
No, you see, it doesn't mean that I'm a CLP leader. I hold a whip, or rather, I hold a chain that tie down people. You see, this is the beauty of the Congress Party. We don't impose anything on anyone. People are given the freedom. We are a democratic party. So anybody can join us, anybody can leave us. But then if the elected MLAs leave us, it's not them betraying the party. They're betraying the mandate